have the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of January. They do send me this for review purpose, and if you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe, hit that little red button. I do have my social media links down below, and let's go ahead and jump into it. This month's theme is the year of you. And I feel like this was meant for me. It says, forget reinvention, throw resolutions out the door, never mind starting over. This year, just focus on doing you and discovering whatever makes you happy. And I feel like that's one of my biggest resolutions this year, is just self-improvement of things that make me happy, not like necessarily like, you know, like most people are like, oh my God, I'm gonna lose weight or do this. I just really want to focus on just making myself a priority and happiness. Anyways, I'd love to hear your New Year's resolutions down below. Let me know. But we're gonna jump into the little baggies. As always, I'm just kind of opening them based on how they send them to me. A lot of you guys are nice enough to correct me nicely down below if anything is out of order, because I literally don't get any instructions, so I just kind of wing it. First things first, look at how cute this little bag is. I love purple, and this little lavender bag is life. This is super, super cute, nice and just fluffy. It's fluffy! It kind of reminds me of the little girl from the Minions. So let's go ahead and open the bag. First thing that I see in here is, I can't really tell what this says. I have no idea what this says. Okay, it says rebelde, but the wording on here, like the lettering, is kind of weird. Like you can't really tell that it says. Let me know. One of y'all will tell me. Oh, I think it says Reina Rebelde. Okay. The lettering is like kind of off where you almost can't tell what it says. But this is a black liner. I will be giving this to my mom, who has been constantly asking me that the next time I get an eyeliner to give it to her. So, mommy, I know you watch this. This is for you. Next time she comes to my house, she's gonna be like, ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está? Next thing in here is a little nebula shimmer eyeshadow by this brand. This is called Oriza. I will be giving this away because I know I'm not gonna use this. I have been doing so good on my declutter and project panning. If you guys want to see more of my like project panning, especially, I do flat lays over on my Instagram and kind of share my makeup of the days. This is actually really cute. This is really cute. I'll see if my mom wants it. If not, I will definitely be giving this away. It's really cute for like someone who's starting out. I think I might give this to a friend of mine. Her daughter's like around like that 13 to 14 years old, where they're starting off with makeup. And I feel like this is beautiful because you have like that perfect all over the crease mid shade, and then these perfect shades for like the inner corner or all over the lid. This is also perfect for like just traveling because you have kind of like a one and done kind of look with these. That is pretty. And the way it looks like it's a good formulation just by the way the shimmer's pressed in there. Of course, you won't know until you actually apply to your eyes, but this is actually really, really cute. I don't think I've heard of this brand, or Oriza, I want to say is the name of it. Next thing in here is called Dew of the Gods. This is a Feels Mini Squalene and Oat Milk Dry Erase Facial Scrub. I will try this out. I really enjoyed their eye patches that came in one of the boxes. Very, very hydrating for underneath the eye. Their skincare seems to be really, really nice. This is called Diamonds Are Cold, Gold is Overrated, Silk is Just a Fabric, Don't Pretend, Feel What's Real, Micro... Okay, I went off on a tangent reading that, but it's a microdermabrasion kind of scrub. It's a little mini one right there. I will be trying this out. Hopefully it's not too abrasive. I like when stuff is just, you know, yeah, it's one of those like micro exfoliant ones. It's a white cream with tiny little crystals in it, so it shouldn't be too abrasive for the skin. I will pop that in my shower and use that scrub. And I like the fact that it goes with the bag, like it's the same shades. Next in here is the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. This is in the shade Dolce Vita. And let's go ahead and see what this shade looks like. I own this? Do I own this? Okay, I do not own this one because I own a few of the NARS pencils, but this one is called Dulce Vida. And it is a beautiful kind of like neutral coral shade. It's very, very beautiful. I feel like I would get a lot of use of this. It's kind of like that 90s coral shade. So that is very, very beautiful. Happy that that came in there. The last thing in the glam bag is by Shayna B. This is called the Miami Lip Gloss. It's in the shade Besitos. This kind of looks like a pretty like pinky shade. Yeah, it's like a shimmer pinky everyday shade. I feel like this is really good for someone who just likes really neutral looks. I think I'm gonna give this away just because of the fact that I have way too many of those shades, and I can't stand that about myself. I don't know who else is like this, where you keep purchasing more or less like the same neutral tones or the same pinky undertones. So the fact that you have so many but you only have one pair of lips, like what the hell? So I'm trying to be more conscious about that and not have like so many of the same shades, because if you guys just like see this canister here, this drawer system, only the last two drawers are like real like shades, like more fuchsia, orangey, reds. Everything else all the way up, all of these are basically like neutrals, where they're a little bit corally, neutral, or pinky undertone. And a lot of the shades are very similar, like you wouldn't even be able to tell on my lips. So I'm trying to be more conscious about you know, about not overdoing it and keeping so many products of the same shade. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the Glam Bag Plus. This is super, super cute. I love the little spring flowers, lavender, purple. Those are just like my cup of tea. First thing in here is the, what is this called? This is called the Half Caked Crease Brush. I will be keeping this. I absolutely love Half Caked brushes. I did purchase some of their brushes when they were doing a sale, and they have a great, great quality. I don't know if this would be a crease brush for me. I think this would be like more like all over the lid or applying primer. It's just not fluffy enough for me to consider this a crease brush, but their brushes are really, really nice. Next up is the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. This is a mask to help revive dull, tired skin. It does have wild berry oil, honey, and vitamin E. And I'm just gonna open it to show you guys, but I have way too many masks in my collection. But I have tried their products before, and I really highly enjoy Hey Honey. They do a really great job with skincare, so that's a great one to try. And it has a lot of natural ingredients, including lemon, orange, sugar maple, jojoba. Sadly, it does have fragrance in there. Next thing in here is the Fleur and Bee. This is Nectar of the Sea Vitamin C Serum. I do have a vitamin C, like one or two of them that are in rotation right now, so I might ask my mom if she wants this. This is cruelty-free, sustainably made, 100% vegan. 1% to charity, helps purchase and provide menstrual care and education in girls in need. So that's amazing that they do that. And it's a brightening, and it's 10% vitamin C. So this one does come in a dropper form, and let's go ahead and just see what it looks like. It looks like a really nice like liquidy serum. Yeah. And it does have a little bit of a citrus scent to it. It says it has 11 nourishing actives, including vitamin C, jojoba oil, aloe vera, vitamin B3, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, grapeseed oil, sapphire oil, vitamin E, squalene, and pink grapefruit oil. So it's supposed to give you like brighter, glowing skin and help with dark spots and wrinkles. Yeah, that sounds amazing. So, yeah, I don't know. Sometimes I'm like, oh, should I give it away? Should I keep it? Next up is by Milk Makeup. This is called their Rise Mascara. Sadly, this mascara just isn't my jam. I don't really care for the wand. It's not the type of wand that I personally like, and you know, that just is personal preference, but that's what the wand looks like. I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna give it forward. I already have way too many mascaras open right now. If you guys see, like, it's almost embarrassing how many mascaras I have open, but these are all the mascaras that I'm currently using, and so I don't want another one to open up, especially when I know I don't really prefer the wand. I have tried this mascara previously, and it wasn't for me. Then the last thing in here is the Tarte C. I feel like there's so much skincare in here. This is the Tarte C Tarte Drink of H2O. This is a hydrating boost, and this is great for every day. This is kind of like that clear, really soft gel-like hydration. And Tarte, I really like their H2O kind of line. Really, really nice about hydrating and just giving that extra boost of hydration in the morning. I will be keeping this because I think previously I had gotten one and gave it away. And this is made in the USA. It's supposed to hydrate for 24 hours. It's dermatologist tested. It has squalene, hyaluronic acid, and algae. It's supposed to be like cooling as well, lightweight, non-greasy. This kind of moisturizer is really, really great for underneath your makeup, like a boost of hydration in the morning. I absolutely love, first things first in the morning, doing a nice hydrating moisturizer. Right now I have been using the one that came recently, this Herbivore Cloud Jelly, and I just love that, like, really soft hydrating you know, like jelly kind of hydration early in the morning. And that is it for both bags. Let me know what your thoughts are. I feel like they did really good this month. It's just a lot of skincare in here. But I do like the fact that they have a mixture of different brands, from Fleur & Bee to Tarte, Milk, the half-caked brush in here, NARS. I feel like they did a spectacular job. I really love the bags this month. They are super, super cute. I absolutely love purple and lavender, so it's my jam. Let me know what your thoughts are. What were your choices this month? I'd love to hear from you down below. Which one are you more excited for, the Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you subscribe by hitting that little red button. If you want to show me some support, some support, go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, share it, etc. You can follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.